Non-resident Indians or NRIs are one of the major contributors to the Indian economy by bringing technology, finance, and global perspective in order to set up businesses in India. The Indian government has recognized these skills in the economic development of the country and have made all the necessary administrative changes and offered incentives to attract foreign investors and encourage investment in India. Greetings to everyone. I am Gayatri Sharma, and today I will be using the platform of Law Advisor India to spread some light on the procedure of how an NRI or a foreign company can invest or start, manage, and grow a business in India. So please sit back and relax as I go on and explain you all through the step-by-step guide for an NRI to set up company in India. Before anything else, it should be noted that both the central government and the state government have commenced multiple schemes to boost investment, including for establishing promising ventures like tax exemptions for some period to drive business setup in India. Having said that, setting up a business is no easy process. This can be noted down under 4 easy steps. First, you need to arrange the funds and get the documents and paperwork ready and notarized. Secondly, the company's name should be submitted, whose application is filed under Form INC1. Along with this, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs MCA has prevented a revolutionary initiative titled SPICE under INC 32, which can speed up the application process and get clearances from various ministries and departments to sort out the compliance requirements and to obtain the necessary licenses. Once the incorporation forms are submitted, you need to anticipate their approval, and once approval is fixed, the company is formed. Typically, it takes 10 to 15 days for the applicants to receive company incorporation certificate. It is offered as a PDF document by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. And when the company is registered, the next step is to launch the bank account of the company. There are some other important aspects which are launched by the government which should be looked at. Subject to FDI norms, the shares of an Indian company can be held by an NRI, foreign national, or foreign company. Therefore, incorporation of a private limited company is recommended for foreign nationals as it is the fastest and easiest way to enter into the Indian market. Minimum of 2 directors are required. At least one director is required to be a resident Indian. All the credentials like DIN, DSC, PAN address proof have to be submitted on the MCA portal by filing the incorporation document. Registered headquarters to be situated in India, and FDI in a private limited company is accepted only by the automatic route. RBI, FEMA, or FDI companies have to be finished. Thank you.